Welcome to this tutorial on NumPy array attributes. In this video, we'll explore one of the most fundamental attributes, the shape attribute. Understanding shape is essential for working effectively with NumPy arrays and performing data manipulation tasks. The shape attribute is a property that returns a tuple representing the dimensions of an array. Think of it as a way to describe the structure of your array. This tuple tells you exactly how your data is organized, whether it's a simple list of numbers or a complex multi-dimensional structure. Let's start with a one-dimensional array. When we create an array with 5 elements, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and check its shape, we get a tuple containing just one value, 5 with a comma. The comma indicates it's a tuple, and the 5 tells us there are 5 elements in this one-dimensional array. Moving to 2 dimensions, we create an array with nested lists. This array has 2 rows and 3 columns. When we check the shape, it returns a tuple, 2, 3. The first number represents the number of rows, which is 2, and the second number represents the number of columns, which is 3. 3-dimensional arrays add another layer of complexity. In this example, we have a structure with multiple nested lists. The shape returns 2, 2, 2. This means we have 2 blocks, each containing 2 rows, and each row has 2 columns. It's like stacking multiple 2-dimensional arrays on top of each other. Let's recap how to interpret shape tuples. A shape of 5 with a comma means a one-dimensional array with 5 elements. A shape of 2, 3 means 2 rows and 3 columns in a 2-dimensional array. And a shape of 2, 2, 2 means 2 blocks of 2 by 2 arrays in 3 dimensions. Each number in the tuple represents the size along that particular dimension. You can access individual components of the shape tuple using indexing. For a 2-dimensional array with shape 2, 3, using shape at index 0 gives you the number of rows, which is 2. Using shape at index 1 gives you the number of columns, which is 3. This is helpful when you need specific dimension information for calculations or operations. To summarize, the shape attribute returns a tuple of array dimensions, giving you a complete picture of your array's structure. You can access individual dimensions using shape with an index. Understanding shape is essential for working with array structure and is critical for operations like broadcasting, where array dimensions must align properly. Mastering the shape attribute will make you much more effective at working with NumPy arrays.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.